Okay, this is my last summer sunflower bouquet, and that's pretty much because it's starting to get cold. I don't know how many blooms I'm actually gonna get from my sunflowers. It is true that I did not plant that many this year. I've only planted 6, and I've gotten quite a bunch of them, but it's getting to the point where it's been too hot and now they were kind of sad looking. I mean, I still got this beautiful bouquet out of them. um I still get these beautiful blooms. I'm actually starting to get some brownish ones, but they're not as brown as they used to be um, a few years ago. And that's probably because I'm gonna have to buy a new package instead of just saving the seeds from one year to another. I should go ahead and buy a new package because I used to have these brown, beautiful ones. I mean, this brown used to be like the lightest color. They were gorgeous. So now, this is pretty much the last bouquet of sunflowers that I'm gonna get. However, I'm still getting gladiolas, and hopefully, I'll get to show you guys some dahlias. 2 weeks ago, when I went there to the garden, I had like beautiful buds, just like this one, on my dahlias. But somebody must have fallen in love with them and just cut them out, because 2 days ago when I went to the garden, it turns out that my dahlia blooms were all gone. Anyway, they were quite beautiful. I'm still happy with them. And I don't know if I'll have any more bloom bouquets. Maybe I will have some roses, and I hope to have at least one bouquet of dahlias this year. However, if not, I'll be happy with what I've had this summer because there was plenty of blooms, especially in spring and early summer. Wow, that was crazy. And then July, it was also crazy, but it was like sunflower crazy. Anyway, I hope you guys have liked this video, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.